Hi, this is your host Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to the fourth episode of WizKids series, a series brought to you by Wonderslate Technologies, where we bring to you the brightest students from all over the world. Today, we have the pleasure of having Ojasvi Chaudhary, a ninth standard student from St. Angela Sophia Senior Secondary School, Jaipur. Welcome to Wonder Published Magazines, Ojasvi.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for giving me a great opportunity to share my thoughts.
You're welcome. So, your online classes have started. So, how are they going?
Yes, sir. The online classes are we are very familiar with online classes and they're going very good, but I think
Right.
sometimes network issue problems
Okay.
created, but no problem. And they save our time and we can take the online classes from anywhere. So I think they are very good.
Okay. So you like online classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you
Because
take.
we can
Uh-huh.
time and also we can take from anywhere and we can explore more things on the internet and all. So I think
Right.
it's good.
Wonderful. Wonderful. We'll ask you later on what are the other things you have explored on internet. Okay. So, so you like online classes. You say that they save your time. You can take them from anywhere. But still, if you see any space for improvement, what's the one thing that you wish, were there in online
So
classes?
if I wish, I would be network issues, but it
Okay.
cannot be happened. But in our schools, like physical activities and all co-curricular activities are going. So I think that's
Okay.
most beautiful point, most important point of our school.
Right.
And I think I want to say in some schools these activities are not going on. So I want to tell that they should also provide counseling sessions and physical activities to
Right.
students because studies are important, but rather than studies, we should do these activities also. These
Okay.
are also important. So I
So
think
you
that's
want counseling sessions on various subjects, some physical,
no, sir. In our school they are present, but in other schools they are, some schools they are not present. So I think they should provide.
okay. So you're
In
thinking of
our schools,
everyone,
our school, yeah,
right? That's wonderful of you. At such a young age, you think of, other kids as well. That's a great, trait that you have. So besides your studies, what do you like to do the most?
I like to do everything most, but mostly I like to play basketball.
Okay.
In our school, also I join and at district level I go to play.
Wow.
But I like to play basketball. I like to make motivational videos because on my
Mm-hmm.
channel I put motivational videos. I like to motivate
Okay.
people,
Mm-hmm.
and I like to watch history and like Mahabharata and Ramayana.
Okay. So you like the subject history,
Yeah,
and you like
Mahabharata
to
and Ramayana.
Mahabharata and Ramayana as well. You like mythologies and these books as well.
Yeah,
Okay. But you are a basketball player, district level player.
yeah,
That's wonderful.
yeah.
So, who's your favorite basketball player?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan. Okay. It's wonderful. Great. So, other than these, I mean, playing basketball, uh, watching motivational videos, and these history, mythological subjects,
Yeah, I put
what else?
motivational videos on my channel. I put motivational videos on my channel.
Oh, you
Ojasvi
create motivational
Motivational.
videos.
Yeah.
What's
I
the name
create
of your
motivational
channel?
videos. Ojasvi Motivational.
Ojasvi Motivational.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I create motivational videos and I post it to my channel.
We'll put the link of your channel in the description of this video as well. So what do you talk about in your videos?
So I talk about like Anurima Sinha, how her legs were, her one leg cut by train and all. So I talk about stories like Carolyn's
Stories.
story that her hand was gone.
Right.
He was in Hungarian army and her hand was gone. And
Yeah.
now that's why he focused on her hand and he tried left hand best to shoot. So I think I post these stories to inspire and motivate people.
Okay. So you bring stories of inspirational people to your viewers.
Yeah, yeah.
And since how long you've been doing this YouTube channel?
4 5 months, I think.
No. So you've used your lockdown period very well.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. So coming back to your studies, after online
Yeah.
classes, I mean, I guess you interact with ebooks the most, right? ebooks and other e-resources. So tell us about your, experience with them.
So ebooks are good. We can explore things on them, but I think sometimes I found they're expensive.
Expensive.
Like
Okay.
sometimes, yeah,
They should be
sometimes
cheaper.
they have, yeah, rent or buy. You should rent or buy. The option came. So sometimes they are expensive and they harm our health, like my eyes also. So I think I'm not using so much.
Acha. Okay. So you want,
Both demerits and merits are there.
demerits are and merits are all there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then other e-resources. I mean, did your teachers use any kind of, let's say, tools so that you can submit your work,
Extra
some
marks
assessment
used
thing?
to come out.
Extra marks your school used.
Make our concepts easy, so they sometimes use extra marks. That.
Sometimes, not always. Wonderful, wonderful. So, which is your favorite subject? I'm sure you have answered this question in terms of history, but if there are others, then tell us and why.
My favorite subject is maths,
Maths.
and
Okay.
I like to, yeah, because I like to practice it. There is not so much logic, and there is not so much only one formula, and you can one time you can understand, and you can put various sums, and you can do various sums. So I like to do maths.
Okay. So you
Maths
like to
is,
practice maths. That's why you like. I mean, you like the practice part of it.
yeah.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. So, what do you aspire to become, Ojasvi? Because all the kids think of one stream very early on. They sort of, find more
I
avenues
want to
later on.
become a doctor. I want to become an IS, and I want to become a motivational speaker.
A
And
doctor.
I want to become a doctor, IS, and a motivational speaker. I want to become a
Okay.
doctor to help needy people in rural areas because the Dr. Noori Parvin is my biggest inspiration. She treats
Rudy.
people
Dr.
in
Rudy.
Dr. Noori Parvin.
Noori Parvin. Okay.
Yeah, from Andhra Pradesh. She treats people from rupees only 10.
Okay.
Rupees 10, and only rupees 10 she afford and like take 10 rupees and she treat the patient, any type
Okay.
of patient.
Mm-hmm.
So I think she's my biggest inspiration, and I can help also try to help people like she's helping.
Okay. So you want to help people.
And
First, you
Dr.
want to
Kiran
become
Bedi,
doctor, then IAS,
and then I want to help people. Yeah, then motivational speaker.
then motivational speaker. You thought it all. Wonderful. That's great. And who are the people other than Dr. Noori that you look up to?
There are many, like Dr. Kiran Bedi, ma'am, my parents, my Nana ji, and like APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google,
Yes.
and that's it. And
So,
Dhoni.
okay. So you took your parents' name and your maternal grandfather's name. So, sorry,
Yeah.
tell us their names.
My father name is Ashok Chaudhary, and my mother name is Prem Chaudhary, and my Nana ji's name is Dhanveer Singh Neil.
Dhanveer Singh Neil. So why do you look up to these people?
My Nana ji, because my Nana ji was 5 or 6 months. Her mother expired, and then like stepmother came, and the stepmother used to know that she can't treat like her
She
own
was not
children.
good with him.
So they were
Okay.
not, yeah, they were not good with him. They were not giving rupees them to study, and so they in a temple they found 100 rupees, and from 100 rupees they filled the BA form, and
Oh,
now
okay.
then he become a teacher, and now her students are my
Wonderful.
mama ji, a doctor, and he teaches her children. So I think that's biggest that he didn't never give up. He never thought that I'm not having rupees and all, so I don't do. So
That's wonderful. That's a
great.
wonderful story. And I'm sure you're never going to give up because you have inspiration so close to you in your family.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
so good. It's wonderful. And speaking of your parents, how was their support to you during
My
this
parents'
lockdown?
support was very much because last month, or not last month, I can say December, 21st or 22nd December, my Dadaji expired because of COVID.
Okay.
So there was enough family, they expired because of COVID. So mental support was much, not only me, to family, because my father is a big son, means greater son of my
Right.
Dadaji.
The eldest son.
Yeah. Edison, so he had to tell all family, motivate that no, don't worry. And my dadiji was also infected of COVID, so that was very bad decision
Right,
that
right,
time and
right.
bad
So he took
conditions.
care
So
of
I think
everyone, including you, all the
yeah,
kids,
we took
everyone.
care of everyone. We lived there only 15, 18 days. We were there and all
Yeah,
things. So they motivate our family that don't worry, it's okay, don't worry, and all. So he
that's
solved our
great.
problems and he supported us mentally and physically. So
That's
that's
wonderful.
important.
We all need that kind of support because it's a global pandemic, and people like your father, we need more people like him. So, okay. So coming to the lighter topics again, what's the one thing that you missed the most during the lockdown? Because we couldn't go outside. So
I
there are
think
many
every,
things.
yeah, I miss everything because I miss my school, I miss my friends, I miss festivals, I miss smiling faces of people. Because festivals we can't celebrate now, not hug each other, not
Mm-hmm.
go out
Mm-hmm.
and visit any place. And so I think I'm missing everything. And may I think everything will get well soon. So I
Mm-hmm.
think everything will
Everything
be
will get well
normal.
soon.
So I think yeah,
That's
everything will
wonderful.
be soon bright and normal. So I think we will enjoy the new day, new life, and new days will also come. New
Clearly, you are
type
very
of because
positive.
this is a mask life. We can't go out without mask. We
Mm-hmm.
can't always we have to sanitize our hands, wash hands. So this is
Mm-hmm.
very
Correct,
blessed
correct.
life I can say.
Correct, correct. So you also, as you just told, that you missed your school. Any particular teacher that you missed? Any particular teacher that you look up to?
I
And
miss my all teachers. I miss my all teachers because all teachers have their various way to inspire and motivate us to teach us. So I think every teacher is equal for us, and every
Mhm.
teacher has great skill to teach us. So I think I'm missing every
So you were in touch with your teachers during this time,
yeah, we were touching our
other than
teachers
online
and
classes.
friends.
Okay.
Yeah, other than online classes.
And what's the name of your class teacher?
Ragini Davda.
Okay, wonderful. She treated you well during this time. She was there to guide you.
Yeah. She treated whole class and she taking counseling sessions and she tell us, no, this time is wrong. This time is very dangerous and this time
Difficult,
is
correct.
not so good. But yeah, but soon everything will be fine. New normal conditions will be soon come. So don't worry. Don't be so
Mhm.
much feared at home and be happy. So she teaches us
That's
well.
wonderful. That's wonderful. And what about your friends? Who are your best friends? And uh,
My
since
best friend
when
is
you saw them
Kanishka.
last time?
My best friend is Kanishka Sharma and Ragini and
Okay,
Palak Sharma.
okay,
I can So these are my best friends. Firstly, I was touched with Kanishka. We talked and yeah, we were like enjoyed very much.
okay.
So I'm
That's wonderful,
in touch
wonderful.
with him.
And you have any siblings?
No, I'm alone.
You're the only one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's wonderful. So coming back to my first question to you, uh, you're passionate about many things. So what's the one thing, new thing that you learned during this lockdown?
Uh, New thing I learned many things and I learned how like I was not knowing anything about my in my field because I was not knowing what I have to do in my life. Like I was like, okay, I will be doctor, I will be that, I will that, but I was not knowing what the strategies work and what which exams we have to give, how that's all. So I think this I have done. Like in NEET, we have to NEET prepare, then 5 years of MBBS, and then PG
Mm-hmm.
we have to do. So everything I explore everything that yeah we have to do in this field. We have to do this field. We have to do this.
Okay, okay.
But
So you say that about your field at such a young age. So you're not forgetting to enjoy this life, right? I mean, you're doing so many things other than
no,
these.
I'm enjoying my life. I'm very much enjoying because this time I'm enjoying with my parents. I'm enjoying with my family, and like I'm enjoying because when I explore more things, I motivate people. I enjoy that stuff.
You enjoy that, right? So clearly, I mean, in the right space, you're doing what you love. That's wonderful, Ojasvi. And anything else that you wanted to, talk about, and I didn't ask you. So, any message would you like to give? Now's the time to do that.
Yeah, I want to to give a message. Always be patient. Always be silent, because a lion never attacks in a noise. So a lion never attacks in a noise. So I think be silent. And I want to say, from wherever you are, your passion defines you. You're not conditions, and they don't define you. Your passion defines you. And I want to lastly say that stay safe at home. You don't want to waste money on medicines, or you want to waste money on like your family happiness. So don't waste money on medicines, and enjoy with your family, and stay at home, stay safe, and keep care of your elders.
That's wonderful, Ojasvi. Such a mature and lovely message that you have given to all the people. And thank you very much again for speaking with us. You're clearly on
Thank
the
you.
right path. We wish you all the best and stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone, for tuning into this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Do subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next one.